Hi everyone, it's Mr. Jensen. I'd like to show you guys a way to use PDF Expert in order to upload anything from Google Classroom as well as download anything from Google Classroom to edit. So there's some issues with Google Classroom where the servers are really crowded because not only is Rockville Center using the Google Classroom servers, a lot of students across all of the United States are using it. So when you bombard a server with all these people using it, sometimes you get things like file not found. Sometimes you get things where you can open the document, but then you can't edit it. Sometimes on my end, I'm getting copies that are done, but I can't see anything. So I ask, hey, is this done? Because I don't see any writing on the actual edited document. So I pull it up on my computer. Usually it works out a little bit better. But here's a way that you can maybe stop those frustrations. So the school put PDF Expert on our iPads. I'm just holding it so you can see it. And you could use it pretty easily with Google Classroom. So let me show you how to use it with Google Classroom. So I'm in a class. I'm assigned as a student in a class, right? And I have my remote learning, my distance learning resources. And for example, I use the Rock Correlation Lab because that's what we're working on. And here's your little menu when you pull it up. And then you use the little arrow to get your actual work. And I'll click on to open the lab. So here's the normal spot where you normally go to the right top hand corner. You click that pen and you would edit it. Now sometimes that's not working, so I'm going to skip straight to sending this document to my Google Drive instead. So that's the right top hand corner with the square and the arrow. So from here, I have it in my Drive, and in my Drive I'm not able to edit it. I can just look at it. All right, so there's one more step. You go to these three dots in the corner. You go open in, and my favorites have come up as copy to PDF Expert because I've been using it, but usually yours won't right away if it's new. So I go through these. Okay, I don't find it. I go to more, and here it is, copy to PDF Expert. So here is my new blank lab in PDF Expert where I am able to then edit it. I have a highlighter, I have an eraser, I have the pen, I have text boxes. It's pretty similar to Google Classroom, like the normal one. So we would just stick with annotate, to answer stuff. That's at least what I've been doing. Of course, it's your own personal preference. So if you want to try the option to edit PDF, you can as well. So just to test this out, as you saw, maybe that popped up, we are testing PDF Expert. All right. So now I need to be able to save it. So you go to the three dots in the corner again, the top right corner. You'll go to share. I want to share it. So I want the original document. That's everything that you have plus the edits you put in. So you go to share. I like to do this. I like to save it to my files, and I save it in my iCloud Drive, and I save it in my downloads. Save. All right, so now here's the second step. You have to go back to Google Classroom. So I'm going to home button out of here. I'm going to go back to my assignment. This is my original assignment that I pulled up. I'm going to X out of that. I'm going to add my attachment. I'm going to go to File. Oops. I'm going to go to File. And you usually get an option like this. Now I saved it in my downloads. You may have other files on your iPad that you use, but I know that iCloud Downloads comes up standard from this program from Google Classroom. So I'll go to downloads. That's where I put this. And I have the two tests because I did this once before I made the video. And this is my most recent one. Give it a sec. And there you go, and I'll just open it up to show you guys that it worked.